Imagine winning the lottery and becoming super rich. It feels amazing, right? Well, guess what? I have a mind-blowing secret for you. You can turn this dream into reality through the power of manifesting. I know it sounds unbelievable, but it's true. This video is specially made for you to learn how to manifest your way to winning the lottery. So, if you're ready to discover this incredible method, watch the video closely. Your dream of winning big could come true. You might think that winning the lottery through manifestation is too tricky and not worth attempting. Instead, you may set small financial goals, such as paying off debt or simply getting by comfortably. But why settle for less when aiming for more might bring you greater enjoyment and opportunities? Don't restrict yourself. Dare to dream big and go for the big win. You never know what incredible things might happen when you believe in yourself and reach for the stars. Let me share my own incredible story of manifestation. I used to be someone who kept holding myself back and living a poor and stressful life. But one day, I learned about the manifestation technique and everything changed. I wanted to get rid of that stressful lifestyle, so I gave manifestation a try. I started by clearing my mind and doing short meditations before bedtime. I got rid of all the negative thoughts in my head. Then I bought a lottery ticket for $1 million and used manifestation to help me win. I had faith in the power of manifestation and followed all the steps. And guess what? I won the lottery. Since then, I've been using manifestation every day, and my life has completely transformed. I left behind that unhealthy lifestyle, and now I'm living a super happy and peaceful life. You might find it hard to believe, but this is my true story. Once you try the incredible power of manifestations, all your doubts will vanish. In the video, I'll teach you the correct and effective way to use this method. It's going to be simple and amazing. You'll learn how to make your dreams come true with the power of manifestation. Trust me, this is real, and you can experience it too. Manifestation is like an art where we use our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs to bring good things into our lives. When we think about what we want to achieve and feel happy about it, we send out positive energy to the universe. The universe then responds by giving us similar good things in return. If we want money, we can imagine all the great things we'll do with it and believe that we already have it. By staying positive and thinking this way, we can attract what we desire and bring good things into our lives. It's like a magical way of making our dreams come true by using our thoughts and feelings to create positive outcomes. Manifestation is a powerful force that can deliver us exactly what we want in life. It all comes down to understanding and being clear about our desires. Let's say we want to win the lottery. First, we have to make sure we know and understand what we want, winning the lottery. Once we know our desire, we have to ask for it strongly and confidently. It's like demanding it from the universe, as if we know it's meant to happen for us. Even if we need the lottery win, we should act as if we already have it and trust that it is on its way to us. The key is to be confident and bold when asking for what we want. It's like telling the universe, hey, winning the lottery is mine, and it's coming to me. We have to feel it deep inside and truly believe that it's meant to be ours. Remember that manifestation is more than just wishing for something. It is also about having trust and belief that it will happen. So let us be strong, believe in our dreams, and ask for what we truly desire. The universe will hear us and fulfill our wishes. Sometimes we forget how important it is to ask for what we want, so it's crucial to remember to ask for it. After we've asked for what we desire, we must strongly believe that it will happen. When we truly believe in manifestation, it means we have confidence that the universe is listening to our wishes and emotions. Our thoughts and feelings emit vibes that connect with the energy of the universe, and this affects what happens in our life. Having faith in ourselves and working alongside the universe is like a team effort to make our dreams come true. It's like trusting that our dreams will become a reality with the universe's support. Once you believe that your desire will come true, you should visualize it in your mind. Visualization is a key part of manifestation. It means using your imagination to create clear pictures of what you want to achieve or get in life. When you imagine, you see and feel yourself getting what you desire as if it is occurring. It's similar to imagining your objectives. This fills you with joy and excitement. When you visualize your objectives, you establish a strong link between your emotions and what you want. This emotional connection is critical for making your desires a reality. If you want to win the lottery, imagine what you would do with the money. Picture yourself going to different places, buying whatever you want, and having fun after winning that big amount. Doing this can attract positive energy and opportunities to make your dream a reality. So, believe in your dreams and imagine them coming true. Sometimes we forget to be thankful. Showing gratitude means being happy and thankful for what we already have. When you feel really happy with what you have, the universe gives you even more good things because of the law of attraction. It's like sending out positive vibes, and the universe sends positive things back to you. A way to show gratitude is by congratulating lottery winners. It's a nice gesture to be happy for others' good luck. Another way is to think about the things you're grateful for before going to bed. This will fill you with positive energy and attract more good things into your life. It wouldn't be unexpected if someone gave you a lottery ticket or an opportunity to win after applying these techniques. If you've done manifestation correctly, no power in the world can prevent you from getting what you want. When you apply the manifestation techniques and believe in them with all your heart, amazing things can happen. It's like the universe listens to your wishes and aligns to make your dreams come true. So don't be surprised if unexpected possibilities or lucky chances come your way. Sometimes we find that we don't receive what we've asked for, even after trying to manifest it. The reason could be that we become too obsessed with wanting to win or achieve our desires. Stuart Wells suggests that when we lean too much on our desires, it's like pushing them away. So, I advise you not to lean too heavily on your desires. Instead, we should believe that what we want is already ours. Just focus on manifesting without giving too much importance to our desires. Because if we keep thinking we lack something, it creates a feeling of neediness, and that can push our desires further away. To avoid this, we have to understand that what we want already exists inside us and let go of any doubts. However, it might be difficult to let go, which I also feel sometimes. Mastering the skill of letting go and trusting in the manifestation process requires effort and patience. Think about why you want to win the lottery. Is it to better your financial status or to repay debts? Now think up 30 or 40 reasons why winning the lottery would be fantastic for you. To strengthen your manifestation, write down all of these reasons. The more reasons you have, the more powerful your belief in making your lottery fantasy a reality will be. Believe in yourself and visualize all the wonderful things that winning the lottery may bring into your life. Stay focused on your dream of winning the lottery and use this technique to make it happen. Believe in yourself and attract what you want. Visualize yourself as a winner and stay positive. Use this method to increase your chances of winning. Go for it and make your lottery win a reality.